Hey everybody, Noodle Thumb here. I've got today a challenge lock. This is Gravity from MagicMan5. I'm gonna have to figure out how to film this. I don't have my usual tripod. Instead, I have a Nalgene bottle with my work phone on top of it, and then my personal phone, which I'm filming on, propped up against a lockwood. And so I'm improvising and trying to give you guys a good shot of this. I don't know if it's gonna work. We'll see. I'll try and be unobtrusive with my hands. It's not gonna be the prettiest thing, but sometimes entertainment is not all about pretty. Thankfully for me. I will show you after this why I think this lock is named Gravity. Also, my work desk is, it's got a pebbled surface, so it's not that great for a vacuum base. All kinds of shenanigans going on with my filming setup today. So I got this lock today. Ran home early lunch and hopefully gonna be able to pick it before I have to get ready for my afternoon patients. We will see. Really interesting feedback so far. Oh, it's a weird taper on pin 1. You can see it diving a little farther into a falset as I pushed it in. Maybe a spool on 3. Oh, there we go. That was more straightforward than I thought it was going to be. So it says on the note that comes with this lock to go ahead and pick it right side up and then upside down. And turns out you don't need to pick it upside down. It does say to pick it, well, right side up in the States, with the pins up first. And that's why. So, pins are set there. I suspect that there are not springs in the Bible chambers, and that's why you can, if they are, they're very short. That's why you can just spin it when it's upside down. I didn't feel when I was picking it resistance from the springs before I tension. A lot of times I'll run my pick through just saying hi to each pin, and indeed when I'm lifting these, there's no resistance, just the weight of the pin itself. So that's the cool thing about this lock. Anyhow, I will call it a day. Y'all take care.